ride. Almost at the club, baby.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching another video. If you haven't already done so, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for more content. As promised, there's going to be the video for the headlight restoration. So it is nighttime outside, whatever. I want to do it during daylight, but I'm going to try to do it with the lights that we got here. So basically, this is the kit that I got. This Maguires restoration kit. They're not too bad, but at the same time, I'm gonna hit them with the 600 grit sandpaper, wet sand them, and then do all the other stuff. Need a drill for it, so I got my drill here, and we'll see what happens. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I got a couple more, what we'll call it, materials here. I've got my block for sanding with the 600 grit, paper towel and isopropyl alcohol to clean off the surface. So first thing I'm going to do is use the isopropyl, clean the lens, then use the 600 grit with the water to wet sand it and get off all the heavy stuff. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so This is how it looks. I'll wipe it down properly and everything, get all the lint off of it. But this is how it looks compared to that. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with another whole segment. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this one out, and you'll see it when I install them. Also, what I will be installing too is the corner lights. They didn't come with the socket for the bulb, but I'm not really worried about it because, you know, BMW drivers don't even use turn signals anyway. So got two of them. I'll snap these in, and then we'll actually have good looking headlights. All right, we are done. Headlights are in. I'll slap the bumper back on, but this came out ridiculously good. So I am going to go ahead and adjust the lights, and then that'll be it. All right, well, that's gonna be the end of this video. I got the headlight restoration kit from AutoZone, the Maguires, and I had a separate set of other materials that you saw me use. So if you haven't already done so, make sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Bring that bell, bitches!